Hey friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 21st tutorial of probability chapter 15th of standard 9. In last session we discussed about 8th sum from exercise 15.1 and in this session we will discuss about 9th sum from that. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, exercise 15.1 and in that 9th sum. So starting with the first, its basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. Its 9th sum. Note the frequency of two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers going past during a time interval in front of your school gate. Find the probability that any one vehicle out of total vehicles you have observed is a two-wheelers. Means you should find probability for two-wheelers, right? Over here total outcomes 150 plus 25 plus 75. So total vehicles here 250 means total outcomes 250. And for possible outcomes getting two-wheelers it's 150 which is given already, right? So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 150 divided by 250 equals to 15 tens and 25 tens. 10 cut. Now 15 and 25. 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Another 5 cut. So answer is 3 by 5. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.